Don't let getting sick ruin your cruise.
You don't want to miss out on this during your next cruise.
Here are 3 things that we do to keep healthy on our cruise.
The first thing we do is take cruise amenities 7 days before the cruise.
We continue to take it throughout our cruise.
The second thing that we pack is hand sanitizer. We use it often while we're on the ship. We also take and use in our cabin antibacterial soap.
The last thing is to stay hydrated before the cruise and during the cruise.
We take our own water bottles as well. Did you know you can have ice delivered to your stateroom? It's important to start hydrating before the cruise. A few other things to take note of is to get enough sleep while you're on your cruise. Try to continue your regular sleep schedule. You need to try to eat fresh fruits and veggies, and be aware of the public areas that you touch and wash your hands often.
Using these tips can help you avoid getting sick on a cruise. I'll put the link in the description of the cruise amenity. I hope this helps, and I'll see you on the next video.